Hello everyone, thank you for watching this video. In this video, I'm going to share with you how can you grab the attention of your prospects. Yeah, grab the attention. Hello, grab the attention. Hi. So have you come across prospects who don't really listen to what you say? Right? They think they have all the information with them. Well, it's natural to do that because one search on Google on your phone, you can have all the information, right? Information is so widely available. But the thing is this, whatever they search on Google is very generic information. They do not have what we call the insider news. Understand? They don't have the information that the expert, okay, the industry expert knows. So, but they want to think that they know it all, they have all the information, they don't want to listen to you. Now, so how do I make this group of people listen to me, to pay attention to me? And I came across this prospect and he, whatever I say, she said, well, no worries, I can handle it, I can do this, I can do that, or I know what's going on, I know the deadline, I know what, some of this what you have been sharing. Then I asked her this question. Do you know if you are going to do what you think you're going to do, there are some implication, and the implication is huge. It might waste 1 year of your time. Immediately she answered, what do you mean? What kind of implication? I got her attention now. So because these people, they think they know, but then I know a lot more than them. I know how to strategize to give them the best solution, to give them the highest chance of succeeding. So when I say that, immediately I got their attention. Immediately they want to know what I know that they don't know. So this is how you can grab the attention of the prospects, okay? Especially those who think they know it all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.